Today I'm going to show you how to make a TradeLocker demo account. Go ahead and open up the browser, type in TradeLocker.com. Scroll all the way at the bottom of the page. You will see, first of all, you will see TradeLocker Web. This is for the Windows users. You can also use it on the MacBook if you want to, but I'll prefer to download it. I think it's much better. Download on the App Store and Google Play is for the phone, the mobile phones, and then the web app for prop trading, like if you do prop firm challenges through the TradeLocker. So in this case, I'm going to use the TradeLocker Web because I'm on Windows. And then you'll see this. You need email, password, and server. In order to get access, I'll put a picture right now where I will list all the compatible brokerages and maybe funded options and prop firms on the screen right now. So first of all, in this instance I will use Osprey. Okay, OspreyFX, just a normal brokerage. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up. I do have an account, so I'll just log in. Once you have logged into your OspreyFX account, you can go into accounts, and then you can press on the account type, and then you could choose OspreyFX TradeLocker demo, and then select the currency, account language 50 to 500. I'll choose 50, and then 100 to 100k, I believe. Yes, 100 to 100k, I believe. And then you can press on create account. And then the credentials will be sent to your email address. It will look like something like this, but I'm not gonna use the OspreyFX credentials for this video. I will use a prop firm, so I will use FundedX. And if you want to do the same, just go ahead and type this in your browser. I feel like this is much easier if you want to trade funded. No, I mean trade demo. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up. I do already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and type in mine. Once you have logged in, you can go into new challenge, but not buy challenge. It will be get free trial, and then you can choose the amount. In this case I will use 100k, and then I'll press on start free trial, and then FundedX should send you an email regarding your credentials. Once you have received your credentials, you can go back to TradeLocker and then fill out the form, but make sure you changed it to demo instead of live. So if it's on live, you can press on the switch demo. It will be switch demo here. And then you can just go ahead and type in your credentials. Then press login, and it should look something like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.